Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the most popular and unique content available through ProContent and why so many churches choose these resources week after week. One of the great things about ProContent is that it's more than just a static library. It's always growing with new designs and ideas. We pay attention to what churches around the world are using and loving, and we make it easy for you to find that content too. On the ProContent website and inside the Worship Visuals section in ProPresenter, you'll see collections marked as featured or most popular. These are the visuals and graphics that tens of thousands of churches are using every week. Whether it's a pack of cinematic nature loops, abstract motion graphics, or clean and modern sermon art, you'll find the designs that resonate most with churches of all sizes. We also have special seasonal collections for moments like Easter, Christmas, Good Friday, and other key events in the church calendar. These packs often trend as our most used visuals because they're designed to fit those high attendance Sundays, where great visuals really make a difference. Another area that churches love is our concert visuals and unique out-of-the-box designs. These packs are bold, creative, and a little different from traditional church graphics. They're perfect for youth events, conferences, and contemporary worship gatherings that want to stand out visually. What makes these popular collections so effective? They're built with excellence and accessibility in mind. Everything is optimized for ProPresenter and designed so volunteers can use them without extra training. And because these visuals are tried and tested by so many churches, you can be confident they'll connect with your congregation too. If you're not sure where to start, the most popular section is a great place to explore. These resources represent what's working for other ministries, and they can also inspire new ideas for your own services. In the next videos, we'll show you how to use intro videos, countdowns, and ProPresenter themes to create even more seamless services. But for now, explore the featured and most popular sections to see what churches are loving right now. ProContent exists to help you elevate your visuals with designs that fit your church and your message. The most popular content is popular for a reason. It works. It's beautiful, and it's built to serve your ministry.